Untitled from Global Network. I'm here at Forest Hill Senior School in St. Lazare, Quebec, Canada to find out what the 60s really look like. Collaboration. Well, collaboration is... What is collaboration anyways?
Collaboration is learning from and contributing to the learning of others.
Hi, why are you guys here?
We're doing a passion project.
You're not in your classroom?
No, we choose to work here. Our teacher trusts us. We're motivated and responsible.
What does that mean?
It's one of the 6 C's, you know? Character. It's time to get back to work, buddy.
Wow, now that's character. Citizenship. What does that mean?
It means, what can I do to change the world? What is my legacy? How can I make an impact?
What are you guys doing?
We are making mats for the homeless with recycled milk bags. We are weaving them with this frame made by some grade 6 students.
Now they're showing compassion, empathy, and concern for others.
Need help?
Yeah, I heard that creativity is one of the 6 C's.
Yeah, it's simple. We just use the magic formula from Hannah Albert. Issue plus gift equals change. For example, I just finished knitting this scarf for those in need.
Oh, I get it. The issue is people don't have warm clothing this winter. The gift is you know how to knit. So the change is you're bringing warmth to the people in need. That's creativity. Hi, what are you working on?
I'm working on a letter to send to the elderly of our community.
That's communication, right? Right. Look over here. These students are working on communication too.
Oh, hi. We are reading a text in French and recording ourselves on Seesaw. Later, I'll be able to show my parents what I did at school. They adore it when I do this.
Those are all things that have to do with communication. Wait, does anyone have a spoon? Here you go. Oh, thank you.
You know what? We use critical thinking. We have to reduce the use of plastic. Our research shows that we use two.
Oh, okay. I get it. You collected data, you did problem solving, you thought of those ideas really hard, and now you're applying it into the real world. That's critical thinking. This was Noah Chiclet from Global Network here reporting at Forest Hill Senior School in St. Lazare, Quebec, Canada, telling you more.